Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm at Transportation and Ticket Center, Walt Disney World. I'm gonna go to Epcot, so I'm heading on the monorail. It's a nice day today, nice and warm. It's about 83, 84, but we have like 7-mile-an-hour wind right now, so it's kind of cool with the wind. Doesn't feel too bad. I do have my sunscreen on, so you're gonna see a lot of shiny stuff, and it balls up on my lips and everything. But you need it here. You need the sunscreen. Monorail's here. Looks like we're gonna go on Monorail Gold if I can make it on time. Here go the doors. All right, let's see how it turns, because it's not gonna go to Magic Kingdom now, so we'll probably see the Contemporary Resort now. Oh yeah, it's over there. Could hardly see it, so many trees, but yeah, we're taking a turn. It's gonna take us like 10 minutes to get to Epcot. Comes one of the Disney buses right there. This is what you see mostly on the whole way there. Just trees, and there's a little creek right there. Once in a while you see a little road or something. There's a little pond over here. And another road. There's a road back there. Going right over it. The air conditioning here is really nice. Feels good. Well, we're already here. That's the road where we always drive in. Yeah, that's it. Here comes a Disney bus. Yeah, there's the gate. We always drive in that way. See the monorail from the car. Ah, that's cool. There's the entrance. Oh man, look at the parking lot. Ooh, we're taking a nice curve, little slant. You can feel it.